The Apple Watch is one of the most famous smartwatches in the market right now, and it comes with some really great features. In this video, we are going to talk about some tips and tricks related to the Apple Watch. All of these tips and tricks that I'll be showing in this video will be applicable to almost every single Apple Watch, unless I specify it particularly. Many of you guys would be knowing that if you cannot find your iPhone, you can use the ping feature from your Apple Watch's control center. But do you know if you hold down that ping button, you will get a flashlight plus a ping on your iPhone? A handy nifty feature in a darker place. A lot of you guys know that you cannot see your steps directly on the watch face. So you can download a third-party app like Pedometer++ and set it as a complication on your watch face. And then easily you can see your steps throughout the day, which is a really handy feature. It does take time to update. Or if you want an updated list of steps, you can just click on the app and it will show you the updated steps. If you guys want to buy a case for your Apple Watch, then this case is really good. This case is made of TPU and provides 360-degree protection. It is priced at around 400-500 rupees on Amazon, and the link will be there in the description below. Siri will directly tell you the time with a 2-finger tap and hold on your Apple Watch.
3:37 p.m.
Which is great. This is a really good feature for some people who are visually impaired or have problem looking at their watches. Now the next feature is that you can directly raise your Apple Watch to your mouth and start speaking without saying hey. How high is the Empire State Building?
The Empire State Building is 381 meters tall.
Again, a nifty feature without really calling out Siri. The camera controls on the Apple Watch are really great. These are really useful. You just have to open the camera app on your Apple Watch and it will directly launch the camera app on your iPhone. You don't need to launch that separately. And with the help of the crown, you can adjust your zoom. If you have a multi-camera setup, your phone will directly switch to different cameras directly with the help of your crown zoom, which is a great feature. Holding and pressing down on your Apple Watch's display in the camera app will enable more options, just like flashlight, HDR, live focus, and many more. You can also use that to record videos, which is a great feature. In the Apple Watch's app menu, you can easily reposition an app by just holding it and keeping it at a position that you want. And you also have other options, such as you can even delete apps directly from your watch. Another thing, I do not personally like the bubble app menu. So just press down on your Apple Watch's app menu and it will give you an option to change to the list view, and you're done. You can easily add a widget on your iPhone so that you can see the battery percent of your iPhone as well as your Apple Watch, which is a really handy feature if your Apple Watch is charging. The Apple Watch's heart rate app, you can see your heart rate every 5 seconds. But on the Apple Watch Series 4 and the Series 5, if you hold on the crown, you will see the heart rate almost updating every single second. You can easily access the notification center as well as the control center of your Apple Watch from almost anywhere. Yes, you just have to hold down for a second or two at the top or at the bottom, and then it will trigger the notification center and the control center. I recently found this out and I find it super helpful. Now the next feature is that you can easily take calls or transfer calls from your iPhone to your Apple Watch. If you've answered a call on your phone and you want to transfer it to your Apple Watch, there's a small call icon at the top. You just have to click on it and the airdrop icon, and then push that call to your Apple Watch. A super handy and useful feature. And if you want to go back on your iPhone, the small green icon, if you click on it, it will directly transfer the call to your iPhone, which is a great feature. The calling app on the Apple Watch is really super handy. And whatever people you call a lot, just keep them in your favorites. It's easier to find and easier to navigate. You can easily reply to messages, and you can reply to messages with emojis too. Scribble typing is also a great option. But did you know that if you do a typo, you can directly click on the word and your watch will give you suggestions to choose from. So yeah, if you make mistakes, you don't have to clear out the word. Apple Watch will give you suggestions, which is a great feature. Screenshots are easily possible on the Apple Watch by just pressing the crown as well as the side button. Both pressed at the same time will take a screenshot and it will be stored to your phone directly, which is also a great feature. Okay, so guys, these were the Apple Watch tips and tricks I wanted you guys to know. If you want to tell me about some feature or you like a particular feature, you can let me know in the comment section below. Guys, if you end up liking this video, do hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, enable notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.